Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Out on the Street Fighter again today. A little bit of news. I have no more BMWs. I sold my M Competition single R, and just the other day I sold the double R M Competition. Thought it was time for a change, and I've got another beast coming, looking at other beasts. The new RSV4, the indigo colour, the blue, purpley blue, and I'm looking at also the CBR Honda Triple R 1000 SP. Next weekend I'm going down to have a ride on both. I think I'm sort of steering more towards the RSV4, and yeah, it'll be a interesting day. Actually, I'll be doing I'll do a video on both and how I'm finding them, and we'll make a decision from that ride on the weekend. Hopefully, weather permitting, we'll be able to get to ride them. I won't go down if it's absolutely raining, because that's a waste of time. And the area that I'm going to be riding it in is in Brisbane, so it's a bit of a shit area to test ride the bike, but it'll give me a feel. I've heard that the Honda's hot, and people are saying that the RSV4 gets warm, but to my old RSV4 it never I never felt any heat on that at all. So we'll both get to find out, and I'll do what I think of the gears and all that sort of stuff on the quick shifter. I've heard that the quick shifter on the Honda isn't as good as BMWs or the RSV4, but we'll both get to find out anyhow. So stay tuned for that video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that. I'm going riding with the usual gang. Tom on the BMW 1000 double R, the black one, and maybe Nicky, who always gets on the back, and Phil, who you all made comments on his riding the other day. He really appreciated that, and this is his first ride from that video. So enough of the chit chat, then thanks for watching again, and let's go riding. Bit of a stint ride, caught him. I've played with Tom. Fuck, this thing goes, eh? Whoa, what are you braking for, Tom? Bit damp. Overshot it. Little baby lifts up a little bit. Tuck it in nice and tight. Had to miss that gravel patch. Good thing about this bike, I tell you, it handles so well. Halfway through a turn you can actually change your line, and it doesn't upset the bike at all. Bit of fun, but this thing handles, I tell you. You notice how quick it comes out of corners. The low down torque on this is fucking amazing, truly. And that's the 1000 RR, so it goes to show how much grunt this thing's got. Handling wise, I can't fault it. I reckon it out handles the Beamers, and that's me being honest with you. Yeah, you seen on that little part there was square patch, gravel. Bike was just no issue at all. Awesome. Love this bike. Can't wait to test ride the new Aprilia. I reckon that's going to be amazing. I'll definitely put a pipe on that and tune it. They reckon they're getting 215 and all that sort of stuff, 210 minimum to the rear wheel with shitloads of torque. I'm thinking of putting a Van Diemen pipe on it, and they're talking 12 plus horsepower, and I think 8 Newton meters. I'll put it up on the screen what they reckon it's meant to increase the horsepower in Newton meters, but Van Diemen, they're a bloody good pipe. Australian made pipe, full titanium, but really nice sound to them as well. I'm following Phil. He's made some comments on his riding, and he's definitely taken on board. I'll get in a bit closer behind him. He's starting to lean more. Thanks for the comments with his riding too, guys. We've tightened up his suspension, and it looks much better now. He's holding better lines. It's been damp roads all morning. Sucks really. That's much better. Still turning in a bit too early. And thanks for the comments on my riding too, guys. Let me know that I was turned in a bit early on one of the bends. asked if anyone's done that Californian ride school. If yous have, sorry, it sounds a bit Italiano then. Yeah, if you have, just put it in the comments, guys, if you think it was worth it. This thing's going really well too, guys. I ended up doing a service on it, the 12-month service. I drained the oil. I've got a bit of a deal with dealers that they give me the oil and I change the oil, and they give me the filter and all that sort of stuff. And I do my own oil change, and then I take the bike to them after I've done it, and they finish off the service to keep the warranty up. But the way I drain the oil overnight, this time I let it drain for 2 days, to be honest with you, because I wasn't riding the bike anyhow. I'll put up in a photo up beside me now. I even drained the oil pump line, and the amount of oil that I'll get out of there, you'll be astonished. You'll see here on the tray, surprising, eh? Deceiving how much oil stays up in the motor. And that's the extra oil I've got out of it over the 2 days of draining. And from turning it from side to side, I turn it on its side and hold it for about a minute or two, and then lift it up and away it goes, starts dripping again. But doing that, the bike took exactly what the oil was to fill it to Ducati's recommendations, like in the manual. I think it's 3.4 that I put in. It was smack on. I might even put nearly 3.5, because I really drained it super well. And from me doing that the last time, you'll see here now the oil in the window. So you can still see how clean the oil is. That's done 4,000 kilometres. How clean it was for 4,000, over 4,500 kilometres. So it definitely pays to do that. And I ended up with, I'll show you the magnet. Oh, look at that. The magnet is spot on. No metal. Woohoo! Excellent. Stoked. There was actually pretty well zero metal shavings like on the magnet. It was amazing. I was like, you beauty. So it pays to warm your bike up. That's what I do all the time, warm the bike up before I do anything with it, like ride at any sort of hardness or anything like that. So it definitely paid to do that. A few bikes here. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you next time. Ride safe, stay safe. There's Mad Phil.